What's the meaning of comfortably? Comfortably. Comfortably.
Comfortably. Comfortably. Comfortably means to be in a state of physical and/or mental ease and comfort. When someone is comfortable, they are relaxed, calm, and at peace. Being comfortable can be achieved through various means, such as wearing comfortable clothes, sitting in a comfortable chair, or even being around people who make one feel at ease. It can also signify a sense of security and stability in one's environment. Overall, being comfortable leads to a positive and enjoyable experience, allowing one to fully enjoy their surroundings and activities without feeling any discomfort or unease.